Okay, so let's continue it from my previous part of this video. And we have seen that in the last part, how we are going to insert the text, how we can put the formulas in Excel. So let's continue it from here. You can view the previous part. Uh, the link is in my description box. From there, you can take it in this series. So what we can do, we have seen that we can insert the equations from here. The same way we can insert the symbols if we want to put any type of symbol, specific arrow, anything in your text, and that would be available in printing representation wherever you want. You can put it like this. Sorry, I played setup. What's up? So similar ways you can add it. You can add a couple of more things. I will show you later on what are the pivot chart, pivot tables that will come to later on, and what is the pivot tables and charts and everything I will show you. But apart from that, you can use these same as you can add the text boxes, word arts, like it's a text in your specific ways, or graphical representation view. Mostly this word art is used in PowerPoint and Word, but you can also use it here. So this is how you can set it up, and this is how you can use the formulas. Okay, now what else you can use it in layout section, because I have covered couple of layout formatting in my previous video, but previous, I think in the part 2 I have given you. But you can see that some conditional formatting options are available here, where you can put the data bars. If you have a data like this, I can do some conditional formatting here like this. You can see it will show the grid lines view. This is based on the value, whatever you will put it here. For example, I put the value, decrease the value. So it will take it from this section. So now it's going to fill the value because it's large size bar. It's taking the highest one. Same as if I want to change the color scale set, you can take it like this. Uh, if I want to take it in the format of the table structure, I can do convert it. So, or I can also create a new table if I want to from here. And the most important part is if you are selecting a single cell or if you're selecting a multiple cells, you can just right click on that and click on format cell. This option is also available in your menu bar. I will show you. So once you right click on this and click on this format cell, this option is available in multiple sections. When you click on this, you will get an alignment. If you click on font, you will also reach out to this format cell box. This format cell box is available on your right click also. So in the right click, once you click on this, it's giving you a first format structure, that is number. Alignment fonts will be available as a tab here. But if you want to directly switch it to tab font, you can just click on this arrow, or you can click on this arrow to reach out to uh, alignment. Now what exactly happened with this, or what are the options available in the formatting? You can just right click on this and click on format cell. From here you can say the number is the general format. Here you can see general format. You can put a number specific format. You can put currency. You can take accounting. You can take date and time. You can do the percentage work here. You can do the fraction part section here. You can see the scientific text structure. You can see the text as a normal text where nothing, no formulas can be applicable. You can use a special as well as custom formatting also. It also includes the DD, YY or date time. So from here you can take the type of format, same as you can take on some alignment like which we have done it here. Up down you can take it horizontal, left, and then same as for the vertical you can take it bottom, center. You can also set an angle, like if you want to put like text like this format, 45 degree or something like that. I can just put it here. You can see the text is format is changed. Whatever I am typing, it would be always in the, still it will calculate it for the formula, but the text direction is only change. If I am typing text, a large size text, suppose this, it's moving to the next column, you can see. But if I type something in the next column, then it will be stick out. You can't see the complete text. Like if I added 345, this would not be displayed directly. So what I can do, I can just right click on that and click on format cell. If I put wrap text option, so what it will do, it will scroll down the text to below. Another option is shrink to fit, that can be also used to reduce the size to fit it. So in that scenario, you may increase the column width so it should be visible. It would be totally depend, but better approach is always used to wrap the text, so that will wrap it in the next line. That is also in the same row. So you can set it up from here. The form font section, you can get more options that are not available here. A couple of them, like a stick out, superscript or subscript, where you have to put a B square or something. You can use this superscript. Or if you want to put O2, HO2 or something, or H2O, sorry, so you can put it in the subscript structure. So these are the sample word and documentation related formatting options that you can apply it here in this. Okay, so now in the Excel itself, one more good functionality is I'm just adding a new worksheet from here. I can just click on plus to add worksheet. If I want to rename it, I can also rename it like Jan month or sales report or whatever thing I want to put the name. Just double click on this or right click and select the rename option to rename it. Okay, for example like this. Okay, in the Excel, the auto population feature, autofill feature is there. If I want 1, 2, 3, I place this and I selected all these three, and as I moved here, and once this big sign become a small plus, I can scroll it down. It will automatically fill the number. Same as if I put it here, Jan, okay, Fab, I placed it. I have selected both. I just this plus sign become, I can fill it. It will automatically take the whole month. Same as if I put Sunday, Monday. Okay, now I have selected these two. And if I drill down this, once the big sign become a small plus, then you can see it just start scrolling. And it is not like that if you are starting it from here. If I'm starting it from Friday, so it will take it from there. Friday, Saturday. So Excel has a beauty of this, and you need not to type all the things. Just you have to type the couple of values and then move the cursor to autofill it. You will get a quick fill option here, the formatting option structure. So let me quickly just select these two and show you how we can. You can see it's taking Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. From here, if I press the Sunday, then it's taking Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So these values can be autofilled and it will take the appropriate format, like if taking a 5, 10, 15. I have taken a series of 5, 10, 15. So it will take the series accordingly. It's not like 16, 17. It's not always a sequential. It will take a series, like whatever series you are going to put it here. Like this, I filled that here. You can see 5, 10 I typed. So it's taken a gap of 5 and 10. So guys, that's all about this video. I will be back soon in the next video. For the previous part, you can just check it on the description link. And same as for the next one is also in my description box. You can just check it out from here. Thank you.